They're not very fast growing. They scavenge under the scavenge condition. They grow from in the state. Scavenging, not too much in sophisticated हो गया अभी. मैंने पर more technology itself. Gravel, not I am talking. ಮಗು ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಹಾಲು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವೇಗೌಡ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. We don't share it only for the dual purpose. Wild food people are farmers. They are traditional. They don't like white food. For them we have to develop. Namaskar madam, how are you? Sure. ಬಾಂಧಳದಂತೆ ಸಾಗರ ಬಾಂಧಳದಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನವಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸುಗ್ಗಿಯ ತೆರದಿ ನನ್ನ ಸೊಬಗಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನಲಿಯಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಒಲವಿರುವಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಲವಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಂಧಳದಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನವಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಗರದಂತೆ
ನನ್ನ ಎದೆಗಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಂಧಳದಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನವಿರಲಿ ನೀನೆ ನನಗಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮದಾನಂದ ನನ್ನದಾಗಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮದಾನಂದ ನನ್ನದಾಗಿರಲಿ ನನ್ನೆಡೆಗೆ ಬರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಂಧಳದಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನವಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೇರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಂಧಳದಂತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನವಿರಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮನವಿರಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮನವಿರಲಿ.
ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಜಿ Dr. Saifullah, Dr. Krishnamurti, Dr. Ramappa, Dr. Kulkarni, members of the Board of Regents. The occasion of the release of the Giriraja bird by the Honorable Union Minister of State for Agricultural Research and Education, Sri Hari Krishna Shastri. I am indeed very proud to inform you that Giriraja stands for the king of the jungle fowls. Giriraja is a boon and a miracle bird, especially bred for the poor villagers and tribal people, meant to be reared under similar conditions as are encountered in the rural areas and tribal regions. Besides high meat and egg production potentials, its rare virtue is its extensive adaptability to the commonly prevalent management practices in rural areas. Hari Krishna Shastri Ji, Honorable Minister of State for Agricultural Research, to release the bird and bless us. I, on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore, the members of the Board of Regents, is welcoming you, sir, on this occasion. The Government of Karnataka is a person committed to rural development in the state. He has conceived the comprehensive land use management project in the state involving very closely the grassroots level executing authorities, the Mandal Panchayats. It's therefore our good fortune that Sri Zafar Saifullah has very kindly agreed to be with us this morning and release the brochure on Giriraja. Because of the Chancellor's stewardship as Director of Research until very recently, the university research activity has received a big boost, and I warmly welcome him to this function and request him to preside over the function. I have a great pleasure to boost to this function. And all other officers of the development departments and others have been here, and I sincerely hope that they will practice reading Giriraja, which does not become well.
Shastri Ji, Hari Krishna Shastri Ji, Union Minister of State for Agriculture Research and Education, respected Zafar Saifullah, Development Commissioner, Government of Karnataka, Dr. K. Krishnamurti, esteemed Vice Chancellor, distinguished guests, and officers of the Animal Husbandry Department, IVRI, and the State Animal Husbandry Department, farmers, to present before you a brief report on the salient aspects and features mere reflections of age-old convention and superstition. India figuring as a third world and a country in fast growing and definite signs of overall improvement, especially agricultural output, no doubt including animal products. Our beloved Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi ji, a timely plan of overcoming poverty through standards of common man in India, through well-directed plans and improving agriculture productivity and development, which is the main occupation of most of the villages. Normally, rear a small herd of cattle, sheep, goat, pig, and poultry to supplement their animal income derived from agriculture have taken place in our country through the Green Revolution, and I call it Red Revolution, that is poultry, meat and eggs, has not lagged behind, but projected appreciably in the name of All India Coordinated Research Project on Poultry Improvement for Egg and Meat. This scheme, located at UAS Bangalore, is one of the main centers for developing the grandparent and parent broiler strains and also commercial broilers. Initiated at the back end of 1970, the Department of Poultry Science of the UAS Bangalore stands out today as one of the premier centers in India in having achieved these objectives. Besides this, as a part of Lab to Land program, it has entered to the needs of the farmers in developing and supplying the well-known broiler variety, namely Raja, that is IBB 83, for commercial exploitation, not only to all the parts in Karnataka, but also to the states of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kashmir, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Sikkim. In spite of all this, the villagers prefer their own type of indigenous daily needs. It is a sorry state of affairs to mention here that despite the fast growth potential and high production capacity for meat and considered to be a sin, the villagers still insist on having colored and distinctive birds whose growth and production capacity are far well below than those of the improved exotics. Here I would like to mention exotic birds require sophisticated technology, that is housing, feeding, health cover, etc., where a poor farmer cannot afford high technology. Hence, in this context, I take a pardonable pride to say that the Department of Poultry Science, UAS Bangalore, has carefully cherished evolved from exotic breeds, but definitely having a greater adaptability, growth and egg production potential. The scheme initiated during 1980-81, completed during 85-86 with the following principles. To bring broiler breeds, to ensure that the strain should possess a far greater growth and egg production potential and also lay standard size eggs in comparison to the local fowls. To rear the strain without much sophisticated management, to select that variety robust enough to withstand environmental rigors, thus having a high adaptability. Owing to the concerned efforts of the scientists of this department, we are successful and very happy in placing before the masses the precious boon bird, Giriraja, meaning a king of fowl for hill tribals. This name appears to be most appropriate since the bird resembles the king of domestic fowls, that is Gallus gallus, which is also conducted at the scientific environments of the department as well as selected rural areas. The superiority of Giriraja over the local birds. Giriraja yields high quality and quantity of meat. It can survive like any other local stock in villages under scavenging conditions and does not require the routine vaccination against chronic ailments. It is expensive and a must for the commercial. Giriraja, a product of high technology, has been developed to be raised under very normal but humble living conditions, as the tribals and rural folk could adopt without endangering its productive and reproductive capacity. The action of some of the beneficiaries who received and accepted, aiming at rural development and rehabilitation, realizing the credentials of Giriraja in overcoming poverty and malnutrition of the villagers. This organization distributed the birds and emphasized their adaptability and resistance to diseases in varied environments ranging from cool climate at Periyar. The other advantages of Giriraja are 75% hatchability under natural conditions, attainment of 1.5 kg body weight at 8 weeks under scavenging conditions without any provision of scientifically formulated feed and comparison to similar weight attained at 1 year by local birds, laying 3 times more number of eggs than local birds, that is 120 to 150 eggs. Hatching eggs are being sold rupees 250 to 3 per egg in villages, and adult female to lay in fetches about 100 rupees per bird, while adult male fetches around 120 to 150 per bird. RDT, Anantpur, Samaritan, Kerala, and Animal Husbandry Veterinary Services Department of Karnataka have piloted such a distribution in all earnestness, love and sincerity. In a nutshell, it is not exaggeration to point out here that this train is being spoken of exemplary terms in most of the villages in Karnataka and is received with awe as well as with folded hands by the rustic folk as a God-sent bird. In this context, it is befitting to stress that Giriraja is an indigenous type of exotic but stands apart as a class when they compare with the leading commercial birds in this attempt. With all these attributes, the appellation Giriraja is thus a golden bird for the villagers, tribal, nomads. Thank you. Next, I request Dr. Albert by the Honorable Minister and also to as they are brought up under natural scavenging conditions. The performance of the birds with respect to growth and reproduction, adaptability, environment of Gokak conditions have been reported to be extremely good. Dr. Albert is one of the, he is of the opinion that Giriraja has completely replaced the local birds in the villages of Gokak, and villagers are reluctant to procure even commercial birds. In appreciation of this devoted work, I request the Honorable Minister to garland Dr. Albert on behalf of the Department of Forestry Science. Thank you.
Thank you.
Esteemed Dr. Krishnamurthy, Vice Chancellor of Shri Zafar Safarullah Sahab, Dr. Ramappa, Dr. Kulkarni, Dr. Ramanna, agent, students, dear farmers, all around the country, the scientists and the students who have worked so hard to bring this beautiful bird which is being released today, Giriraja, to the other parts of the country, to the nation. I want to congratulate the head of the departments, the Vice Chancellor, the scientists and everyone for rearing this beautiful bird. They chose the wrong man to release this bird. Being a vegetarian, I don't know how to this non-vegetarian things. And today, that's why you were all laughing when they were asked me to release that. Anyway, the report which was presented, it was highlighted the quality of these birds, Giriraja. This looks so healthy compared to our desi birds, and I am sure those persons who are non-vegetarian, they will definitely enjoy this bird. I want to again congratulate you, thank you all. I think I have been allowed by Vice Chancellor only 2 minutes to speak, so I warmly welcome you all, and also to the farmers who are going to increase the breeding of these birds and distribute other parts of the country. I wish them all success, as this bird is called Raja of the jungle in the birds. I hope they become Raja of their own farm. Thank you very much.
I now request Mr. Jafar Saifullah Khan.
Honorable Minister, State for Agriculture, Research and Education, Government of India, the scientist which does honor to a bird and a scientist, which in my opinion will really, I was lucky to spot this bird early 87. And among the things that struck me at the time as quite remarkable was the fact that it was a scavenging bird, a bird with an extremely high survival rate, high resistance to disease, in fact conditions which would make it impossible, absolutely impossible for an exotic bird to survive. In those conditions, these birds found not only survival, but growth potential of an order that is unprecedented even in the case of exotic birds. As layers, they yield 3 to 4 times what the desi bird yields. Chief guest of today, I am a non-vegetarian. And therefore I am, sir, in a position to certify that not only is the bird beautiful, which you certified, but it's also very tasty, the egg and the bird and the meat, which, as everybody knows, has a premium. Both its egg and its meat has a premium over the normal broiler bird. We have tried to have efforts, public irrigation programs. The question of finding a market is a little problematic for a very peculiar sense. A restaurant who will find the economics of going in for this bird as against the normal broiler bird extremely satisfactory and in their interest, and the market for this will grow maybe with a very short gestation, but very definite. And I do think that the scientists headed by Dr. Rajnath have indeed bestowed a boon to the poor across the board in this state and in these circumstances. We are very glad that the bird has been released as we speak, and we do hope that it marks an auspicious beginning and very, very rapid extension, particularly throughout the state of Karnataka. I am extremely grateful to the organizers for having associated me with this important function, and indeed it is my privilege to release a brochure embodying the bird's characteristics, and I do hope that the brochure also plays a little part in this matter. Thank you very much.
Honorable members of the Board of Regents, respected invitees, my faculty, officers, the farmers, students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure, at least today, being a very remarkable day, that I have been in a position to contribute something on behalf of India. At the outset, it is my earnest duty to congratulate Professor Ramappa and his team for the dedicated work. And I would like to add further, this is not the first innovation that we have brought in. This is the third or the fourth innovation that is given to the rural mass and the industrial mass and the poultry farmers. Earlier he had brought Upro 1 and 2 and then BBT 7 series, and then he has brought the Giriraja, King of Kings. And one speciality in this is we have been now catering to the sophisticated lot of the city people and those industrialists and poultry farmers. At least he has been in a position to bring out a bird, especially to the poor and the tribal people and the rural atmosphere. This is so mainly because we need to develop poultry not in around big cities, but the poultry should be developed right around the villages, considering the nutritional aspect and the meat requirement. Maybe the time will come, there will be no land, no boat available in India for another few years to come, if this is the way we are trying to consume meat. And in that connection, poultry birds does certainly play a pivotal role in the rural areas in supplying non-vegetarian food to those masses especially liking for it. With these friends, I can go on talking, but all the same, I am very happy we have made a day, and I would like to assure you that this bird should become an all India bird, and I have got a scheme. I would like to place this specially before Mr. Shastriji and Saifullah Sahib. I have already drafted a scheme where I would like to develop the parent lines of Giriraja. Just like sir, I am doing seed production, breeder seed. I would like to do the breeder seed production in poultry, develop the parent lines and distribute throughout the country and throughout the state, and I would like to have some financial resources. These birds, the State Development Department and other industrialists who take our parent lines, produce pullets and supply to the needy farmers. This is a scheme I have already been drafting, and I would like to pledge before you, sir. I need your support at all India level and at the state level. Our Saifullah ji has always been a source of help for us in the university. I would like to depend upon to see this scheme comes up and that the bird becomes popularly known not only in Karnataka but throughout the country. Thank you very much.
Offering vote of thanks on this occasion of release of Giriraja bird, a miracle song for ladies and cycles. I consider it our great fortune that Honorable Sri Harikrishna Shastriji, Minister of State for Agriculture and Education, Government of India, has made it possible to be amongst us today in his busy schedule and present to create a significant impact on the production of poultry, particularly by small, marginal farmers, land-based laborers. It is in the fitness of things that this important innovation is released by the Minister for Agriculture, Research and Education, Government of India. On behalf of the University of Agricultural Sciences and all others who are present here, I express my immense thanks to you, sir. The information on the fowl is to be carried to the farmers who are going to Mr. who has released a brochure on Giriraja today. On behalf of the university and also all those who are present here, I am extremely grateful to you, sir. All the activities of this university are carried out under the able leadership of our Vice Chancellor in today's function. I am extremely thankful to him on behalf of the Department of Poultry Science and also the Directorate of Research. To all the members of boards of regents, officers of the university, heads of divisions, heads of departments, other sciences who have gathered. I am also thankful to Director of Environmental Veterinary Sciences, Director IVR.
The promotion given to them, or we have to give to this batch.
ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ
ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು
ಮನೆಯೇ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ದು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್
श्री सुमुखश्चैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णिकः लंबोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो गणाधिपः धूम्रकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षो बालचन्द्रो गजाननः द्वादशैतानि नामानि यः पठेत् शृणुयादपि विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा संग्रामे सर्वकार्येषु विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते अभीप्सितार्थसिद्ध्यर्थं पूजितो यः सुरैरपि सर्वविघ्नच्छिदे तस्मै गणाधिपति ओम वनस्पतिर्गोत्रविनो गन्धः धूपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यतां प्रभाकरो मातेजाः धूपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यतां तस्मै नमो नमः स्वे जातस्य अनीर्याय स्वियं वयो जनितृतिसत्यासमितामितन्द्रौ स्वियैवैनं तस्यमादधाति सन्ततं चावसत्कृत्यं सन्ततैः सन्धीयते प्रजया पशुवीर्य एवं वेद नमो महद्भ्यो नमोवान्यजसत्तवा ममाचार्य सह संसमावृष्टिदेवाः ममत्पुनाः परिस्मावसर्ता ममत्सुवातो अपामृतन्मान् सुगीतमिन्द्रा पर्वतायुवं नस्तन्नो विश्वेवरिवस्यन्तु देवरासुसानाः उभयश्लोकेतनचेतधाना रसस्य सामन्युदयन्त देवाः ओं पराशुद्रा अया सोऽनुदन्त घोरानुदन्त उदन्तत्याय देवाः ओं विश्वतस्य स्फुरुता विश्वतो मुखो विश्वतो बाहुरुता विश्वतस्पाद सम्बाहुभ्यां विश्वासाः पर्वतायिमे ध्रुवं विश्वमिदं जगं ध्रुवो मिषावमं ध्रुवन्ते राजा वरुणो ध्रुवन्ते वो बृहस्पतिः ध्रुवन्ते इन्द्रस्य
ಐದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಐದರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ವಿ ಸಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿ ಸಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತರಲು ಯೋಚಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮೀಯ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯನವರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಚಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಕಾರಣಾಂತರ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ದೈವವಶಾತ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅದೃಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರತ ಉಪಖಂಡದ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿರ್ತಂಥವರು ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡಗು ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದಂಥ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮನಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸುದೈವ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ